So hi guys, in this video we'll see how we can integrate Tally with our data analyst. So that is basically Growth AI. So first thing you have to do, just sign in using the credentials that you have created on data.let's transact. So I'll use my mail ID and password. So once we are in, just go to profile, click on settings. Here you will find a tab for Tally integration. So we have noted down all the steps, simple steps you have to follow to integrate your Tally with our data analyst. Okay, so we'll go through all the steps and see how easily we can integrate our Tally with our data agent. Okay, so basically we have to load a TCP file into Tally. So if you want to integrate your historical data, you have to use the one-time TCP file. And if you want to integrate any future entries that you will be making in real time, then you have to use the real-time TCP file. So I'll show you how we can load the TCP file into your Tally. So let's just download the TCP file. So once you have downloaded a file, I'll go to downloads. So this is the file. I'll just save it to a better location, like a location that I can navigate easily. So one more thing that you have to note that you need to have access of your file manager while uploading the TCP file. Okay, so if your Tally is locally present, you already have the file manager's access. If it is in cloud, you need to get the access for your cloud manager so you can load the disk file. Okay, so let's load it. We have downloaded the file. Second step is to load the file. Just go to Tally, click on help, go to TDL and add-ons, manage local TDL. Just do yes. Here we have to locate the file. So that's why we saved it at a better location. I'll go to the folder, select the file and yes. Yeah, so we have successfully loaded the TCP file. So the second step is done, load TDL file. Third is to enter the secret ID. Just copy the secret ID, go to Tally. For that, for loading the secret ID, you have to go to the home page. Okay, gateway of Tally. Here, just go to company, click on Alta, select the company. Here you have to paste the company secret ID. So I'll paste it, I'll save it. So yeah, so once it is done, we have saved the company ID. I'll go back. Third step is done. Next is sync Tally data. Okay. So for syncing, you just have to select the period that you want to sync. Let's say I want to sync data for 1st of July. Just a moment. 1st of July 2025 to 1st of November. Okay. So I've selected the period. Just click on extract all voucher data. So once you click here, the system, the TCP file will do its work and sync all the data with your data analyst. So once it is done, fourth step is completed. Fifth is to activate data agent. So I have already activated it. You have to turn this on for all the modules that you want to sync and just click on save configuration. So once the configuration is saved, we have to check whether the integration is successful or not. So for that, just click on test integration. And yes, as you can see, the Tally data agent is active for your company. And yes, so that was all. We have integrated Tally successfully with our data analyst. You can also find that real-time data sync full file over here. Okay, and we are good to go. You can query anything regarding the Tally data that we have synced.